time to worry about a mess, and I'm kinda getting tired of dealing with all of your stress. I'm starting to think you have no heart.
Hey, so, what are we doing tonight?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you that I was gonna go over to the boys' house tonight and watch the game around 5 o'clock. Maybe you should go to Peyton's.
Hey!
Thanks for letting me come over.
Of course, come in.
Do you have wine?
Of course. Is this good?
Yeah, thanks.
Cool. Ready to get fucked up? Do you want to watch a movie or something?
No. Let's just listen to some music. Can I have your phone?
Yeah. Play whatever.
Little mama sexy as you wanna be.
Do I enjoy
When I go in, she scream my name out. She say she love me cause I always fuck her brains out.
What is this?
Always fuck her.
Change it if you want.
She say she love me cause I... She grew up.
This is a good song.
Yeah, I really like it.
Who's it by?
I don't know. Let me check.
You don't know? Didn't you just put it on?
Vista Kicks. Do you know them?
No.
In her hair. She keeps on dreaming, but it's never gonna change.
Oh, shit. No, I know. I'm sorry. We fell asleep. I didn't think that I was gonna stay here. I should have called you. I fell asleep. Well, I can come to your place now. I didn't plan on staying. I know. I just forgot to text you. We got a little drunk. I don't know. Okay.
Coolest tank top I have ever seen. Where did you get that? Made it. So cool. What a cross section we have here. That's what I love about interviewing. I get to meet all these people I wouldn't ordinarily meet or know or even talk to.
Message in a bottle, the postman.
Kevin Costner. Yeah.
So, I found this grease, and then I remembered that you thought it was a great idea.
You did say it was a great idea. I heard you say it.
Good morning.
You were out late last night.
Yeah, I told you I fell asleep at Peyton's. I don't really know what you want me to do.
Well, I mean, like, you could have called or, like, let me know what was going on.
Okay.
Surprise! Your new crib. Would you just fire me, man? Why? Because you didn't win the lottery? How am I supposed to make you happy? You gonna make me happy? Huh? Yeah, give me your job. What? I'll do it better than you. I earned it. I deserve it. I got passed over God knows why. Reasons I cannot and will.
Okay, so there it was. Barbecue sauce all over my titties.
Oh.
I don't know, it was crazy.
What are you doing?
Just looking up inspiration for my photo shoot tomorrow. I have no idea what to do. What about this one?
You should just photograph me.
You think?
Yeah, actually. Let's do it. Okay.
Alright. Back up a little bit. Back up. And now move this way a little bit. Okay, look more fierce into the lens. Alright, move your hair off your shoulder. Flip your hair for me. Perfect, love it. Alright. Perfect.
Awesome with these two.
Oh yeah, you're good at this.
No, these are great. You look incredible.
Thanks.
Yeah, this one looks good.
I like how you can see like all my bracelets and stuff.
Yeah, you look really nice.
Of course. You're good at this.